मल्टी मॉडल प्रोजेक्ट, ओके डन। अब इश्यूज क्या क्या है हमारा विद देम, इश्यूज, ओके, इश्यूज विद देम। अब अगर हम इशू के बारे में बात करो तो एक तो बहुत बड़ा, वी हैव बीन रेजिंग दिस इशू एंड ऑल्सो रिसेंटली अमित शाह सेज दैट द एंटायर एंट्री विल बाउंड्री विल बी फेंस्ड, फेंसिंग लगाएंगे हम, ओके, नो एंट्री नथिंग, बिकॉज दैट इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम, पोरस बाउंड्री है, यू कैन डायरेक्टली जंप इनटू अनदर कंट्री, ठीक है। चलिए इश्यूज क्या है, तो सबसे पहले है कि सेफ, लिख लो इसको, हेवन फॉर insurgents, safe haven for insurgents, particularly in northeast, प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। दूसरा चीज क्या है, इनफिल्ट्रेशन हर समय होते रहता है, बिकॉज ऑफ पोरस बाउंड्री। देन narcotics and arms trade, ये भी होता है, ओके, अभी जो मेजर प्रॉब्लम है, ओके। और हमारा है अभी वहां पे रोहिंग्या इशू और मिलिट्री coup, ये प्रॉब्लम है, ओके। चलिए, और एक तो इशू क्या है, चाइनीज इन्फ्लुएंस, विल टॉक अबाउट दिस इन डिटेल। लिख लो, ठीक है। ये दोनों चीज को हम अलग अलग से डिस्कस करते हैं, ओके। दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव डिस्कस सेपरेटली, this is something I will discuss now and then we will take up this question, okay. Now put up the heading military coup, military coup, military coup and the relationship. चलिए, first thing, remember, military coup means military came to the seat of power. So India is not very convenient in transacting with military junta, ठीक है। Previously as well, history suggests otherwise. Presently as well, it is not very conducive, okay. We are not good with dealing with military, okay. Ab secondly, military jab aaya, it means the democratically elected government was sidelined and they usurped to the seat of power. So the situation in Myanmar is a multifaceted conflict. People who were for the government, pro-government, there are many groups. They are also fighting against who? Against the armed forces. Rakhine state is problematic. In different parts of Myanmar as well, the infighting is going on. Okay? Military is using its force to subdue any kind of resistance coming from civilians. Okay? And because of that, समझ लीजिए, according to estimates, okay, यूनाइटेड नेशन हाई कमीशन ने जो रिपोर्ट दिया है कि not less than 22,000 refugees have entered into the state of Mizoram. Mizoram के state में alone there are 22,000 people. Remember it. So Mizoram again sensitive area for us. Entire northeast is sensitive because of ethnic structure, or other people are coming, of course it is creating huge problem. ये बहुत बड़ा problem है. Then, for example, if your neighbor is disquieted, you cannot remain like safe. Okay? So security threat is there. वो direct security threat से हो जाता है. ठीक है. Next is because of the multifaceted nature of the project, of the civil war that is going on right now in Myanmar, one problem has emerged. एक problem emerge हो गया. क्या भाई? The problem is that the logistical infrastructure and other infrastructure that India has built and invested billions of dollars, okay, now they are under threat as well. Threat related, not necessarily related to someone will come and तोड़ दिया उसको. No, not like that, okay? Whether it will be able to clear or not, if the entire area, remember, इधर देख लो, if this entire area is fully disturbed, हर जगह से, who will go through this trade route? Even if you have built all these things, no one is going to use it. Peace is needed. Ye area particularly is very disturbed. Okay? So India's actist policy comes under direct threat because of military junta. At the same time, Chinese influence, remember, Chinese influence, because I told you, according to many analysts, many Western analysts as well, Indian analysts as well, they are of the view that there is behind the scene, or there is an invisible hand of China in the 2021 military coup. Okay? और चाइना यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? So many projects they are constructing. और अब मैं बताऊंगा अभी चाइना ने ऐसा किया तो क्यों किया. ठीक है. और चाइना's influence in this area is growing at an impeccable speed. तो ये सब एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम है related to your military coup. तो put up the ये military coup and relationship. Write down. In February 2021, military has orchestrated a coup. Military has orchestrated a coup against democratically elected government which has created huge problem for India. Number 2, according to UN High Commission for Refugees, an estimated 22,000 refugees have entered. 22,000 refugees have entered into India, and most of them are residing in Mizoram. Next, this move has significantly undermined. This move has significantly undermined India's security and economic interest. In Southeast Asia. Next, multidimensionality of civil war in Myanmar. Has jeopardized India's economic and logistic India's developmental, लिखो, India's developmental and logistic projects that were critical for the success of India's Act East policy. Next, military junta government has shown more inclination towards China which is evident from projects such as CMEC, China Myanmar Economic Corridor, CMEC. ठीक है, चलो अब let's now put up the heading Chinese factor.